What is up, my spooky beads and ghouls? So today we're gonna do a spiderweb liner makeup tutorial. Probably gonna do like an orange cut crease with a spiderweb wing liner. So that'll be pretty fun. I've been seeing some of those around. I've seen them like last year. I've seen someone pop up this year, and I kind of want to do one of my own. I think orange would be perfect. It'll go with the black liner. Orange or black's totally Halloween colors. So yeah. I definitely want to do something like that, and I think this will be a lot of fun to do, and I'm really excited to do it. Okay, so first we're diving into the shade Blunderbuss by Baby Bat Beauty. I have a discount code for this shop. You should check them out. Check them out on Instagram, and also check out their web store. They're called Baby Bat Beauty. I'll put the link down below in the description box so that way y'all can check it out. And also leave my discount code in the description as well. My discount code is Denise_Javen. I think it's 20% off. I can't remember, but I think these shades by themselves are $5 each, and then of course the discount code will come out to like even cheaper. Like these work really well. Y'all can see how it's turned out in this video, but I've used them in past videos, and I really do love these eyeshadows, especially their matte eyeshadows. They're really pigmented and they blend very well. So yeah, so we're gonna be using this shade as the first transition shade, and we're gonna be diving into it with this Wet n Wild blending brush in P20. And I'm just gonna get a little bit. I'll probably add more though as I go along, and it's kind of blended out all over the crease. Not all over, but like not all over eyelid, but like on the crease, on the outer crease. So yeah, to make the eyeshadow blend out very well. So next I'm using Kat Von D's Saint and Sinner palette, and I'm going to be diving into the shade Devil right here. It's a really bright orange. I'm using another orange later on, but I'm using this shade for now. I'm going to use a smaller blending brush, and I've been applying it a little bit on the crease and blending out just a little bit, not too much. Actually, I might blend out a little more because I want it to be more orangey than yellow today. So yeah, the yellow is just a transition color, so yeah. I'm going to be blending it out. I don't know, we'll see how it's going to end up, hopefully. We'll see. It'll probably be really, I don't know. I'm trying to think like how I want to blend it out, that's why I'm trying to think how far. But yeah, we'll see. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it like right here on the crease and just blend it out. I'm not gonna blend it out too much into the yellow, so yeah. Next I'm using the Morphe 35B palette, and we're going to be using this brighter orange right here. This one's a little bit brighter than the previous one I just used. I have it swatched on my arm right here. Let me try to turn my wrist a little bit. I think this one's the brighter orange. This one's a little bit darker. I can try to use whatever bright orange eyeshadow you can find. And we're using the same brushes, apply it and then blend it out just like how we did the previous color. Using Kat Von D Saint Center palette again, and we're going into the shade Martyr right here. Let me bring it closer to the camera. It's a little bit more of a, how do I explain this? Like a burnt orange color. It's really, I like it. It's definitely perfect for fall, and it's one of my favorite orange shades in this palette, and it's one of my most favorite orange eyeshadows ever. So yeah, so we're gonna be getting a small crease brush. I might be blending out with a bigger brush, and we're gonna be doing the same thing again, except we're not gonna blend out as much as we did in the brighter oranges. I'm gonna cut the crease. I kind of blended the darker orange eyeshadow over here, so I bring the crease a little more up in the corner. Just like how I normally always do it. I love doing cut creases. And then I also might clean up the edges as well on the eyeshadow, especially this one. This one needs to go down a little more. But yeah, so I'm just cut the crease and clean the edges of the eyeshadow. Cosmetic Pluto palette, and we're going to be using this copper shade here. It's like a copper orange. Let me get this palette open. I love this shade. It's very beautiful and pigmented and so shiny and sparkly. I just love it. So we're going to be applying that. I'm applying it with my finger, probably like on center parts, and then I'll use a flat brush. Let me find my brush. Where is it? I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush to apply it like more closer to the edge. Pluto palette again, and we're dipping into this yellow shade right here to get a little bit on the brush, and we're gonna put it like on the inner corners. Okay, so the yellow and orange crease colors are reminding me a lot of candy corn, so I'm deciding to add a little bit of white on the inner corner as well. We're going to be using this Kat Von D Saint Center palette, and we're going to be using the shade Absolution. And it's like a white, shimmery eyeshadow. Let me let the camera kind of focus on it a little bit. And it has like gold reflex in it, which I really like. It's one of my, it doesn't really show up well on camera, but it's one of my favorite eyeshadows in this palette, and I really do love it. So yeah, so we're going to be dipping into that with the eyeshadow brush, and we're going to be playing onto the inner corner. Next I'm going to do the same thing with the under eye. I'm going to be using the same shades. I'm going to be using the yellow and the oranges. Probably not too much oranges. I don't have to like blend that out as much that I have to do on the bottom, like how I did on the top. Anyway, so I'm going to be using the same yellow shade and then the orange shades, and that's about it. And then of course I'll probably clean it up after I'm done, but I'll probably film that when I do that, so yeah. was that when we kind of doing a butterfly wing kind of look today. So yes, I did bring the eyeshadow down a little bit this way, because that way when we do the spider web, it'll be like, I don't know how to explain it, but we'll draw the line down here, and then it'll connect to like the top wing. So that way it's more spider web. So yeah, so that's why I did it like that. Let's see. Oh yeah, so now next we're gonna be cleaning it up. We're just make this straight as much as we can. I mean, of course we can play adding eyeliner on it later, but whatever. Let's just clean up those lines. Adding Kat Von D's tattoo liner. I'm redoing a wing first, and then I'm redoing a wing first, and then I'm gonna get someone to draw the little spider webs. I don't know how to explain it, but I guess y'all see when I do it. I won't speed it up. I'll try not to speed up as much during this part when I edit it. So yeah. I think I'm gonna do one wing right here, like how normally, and then another, and then another. Like I'm trying to look at some pictures. Yeah, so we're gonna do like 4 little wings and then one little tiny one down here, like where the eyeshadow is, where we cut it earlier. So yeah. Wow, that took longer than I expected it to. That's because I messed up the first one. Totally, like, it went terribly wrong. I ended up doing 4 wings instead of, like, saying 5, because that worked a lot better. Yeah, I had to, like, completely, like, I had to get a makeup wipe and, like, wipe it off, and, like, I had to, like, kind of redo the eyeshadow on this side a little bit. So, yeah, but I got it a little more down better on this side, so I don't know, but this is the eye I take pictures of, so hopefully it looks okay in pictures. I don't know. We'll see how it looks. If not, then I'll just probably take pictures of this eye instead. But yeah, so next I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I'm going to be using Kat Von D's eyebrow pomade in graphite, and I'm using a small angle brush to do my eyebrows. And I'm just trying to keep them thin. Try to keep them thin. I've been drawing them kind of thicker lately, and I don't know how. I don't know. It's like I don't know. It's like I don't want to draw thick eyebrows on, and I always somehow end up doing that by accident. And I'm like, wow. I'm like, how am I doing thick eyebrows? What the heck? But anyway, so yeah, I'm trying to keep them thin, high arched. Earlier, but I did add black eyeliner onto my waterline. I just used a black eye pencil. Nothing fancy. It was just from NYX. I missed my basket case eyeliner from Kat Von D. It's like, it was awesome. Like, it did not run. It didn't like smear down here or anything. I loved it. So yeah, I'm planning to order a new one soon, because like it's like, let me grab it. It's like, there's still some in there, but it's really hard to like get that. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's quite a bit, but yeah, I definitely need to buy a new one soon. It's worth, like, I think it's like my most favorite eyeliner ever, and I hope they never stop selling it. I know it's supposed to be limited edition, but they still have it, surprisingly. I'm really happy, so yay. But anyway, so I added some black eyeliner into my waterlines and also added some mascara. So now we're going to be adding eyelashes. And these ones are called 626 from Alien Cosmetics. You guys should definitely check them out. I used their eyeshadow palette earlier. And they also have some really beautiful eyelashes as well. They have lipsticks, eyelashes, eyeshadow. Like, they're also releasing new palettes soon. So I'm really looking forward to that. So hopefully I do get to order it. Hopefully I have money by then. But yeah, so I did not promote for them or anything. But I'm promoting them on my YouTube because they're just one of my favorites Instagram shops. So yeah, I just love their makeup so much. Okay, so I contour my face off camera and I use the Lunatick Cosmetics contour palette as always. I feel like I need to try on the camera today. But anyway, so we're applying Lime Crime's Black Velvet lipstick onto my lips. You can use whatever black lipstick you want to. So yeah. So that is it for today's makeup tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. It was actually kind of frustrating, especially like on this part. You have to be really careful when doing the spiderweb part, not to like screw it up. And if you do, you can just cover it with concealer or you just wipe it off, whatever. But it's really a pain when it messed up. Like, but yeah, whatever. Also, I don't know, just my tattoo eyeliner is just, I guess it's kind of, I had it for a few months already, so I guess it's already like, yeah, like it's done. Because I don't know, it kind of like doesn't always work on me anymore now, so I think I definitely need a new tattoo eyeliner. And I definitely do need a new basket case eyeliner as well. I need so much new makeup. I mean, I haven't been able to buy any because I don't have any money right now, so whatever. What's my cat doing? Anyway, so yeah, this is a fun makeup tutorial. I want to do something glam. I've been doing a bunch of like spooky stuff and like really cool stuff for Halloween, so I want to do something glam. I'm not sure if I'm gonna post this in late September or in October. I'm not sure. I haven't decided yet. Maybe I'll do a poll on Instagram and see what I want to do. So yeah, I had a hard decision. I really wanted to wear orange lipstick with this, but I was like, it's gonna be too much orange. And it was either be Squash by Lime Crime, or of course I use the black ones, but I really like Squash a lot, but it would have been like a lot of orange, so maybe for the makeup look, so I don't know, we'll see. I feel like the lighting's like really bright, I don't know. I guess it's fine. I feel like my face is like illuminated right now, like it's like light up. But anyways, so yeah, so I just paired it up with my favorite Halloween sweater. I love this one. I got this like Goodwill like last year. I kind of want to get some more like really cute Halloween sweaters. Made like an ugly Halloween vest sweater type thing soon. I don't know. I need to check out my local thrift stores. So yeah, so I'm actually really happy. Halloween's coming up pretty soon. So yeah, I'm really excited. I don't know. Honestly, I do not know what I'm gonna be for Halloween. I really want to be Bride of Frankenstein or Elvira, but I don't know. We'll see. I haven't decided yet, or I just do something crazy with my makeup that day and try to look scary, you know, like how I did last year. But I don't know, we'll see. I haven't decided. So yeah, so that will be it for today's makeup tutorial. So make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. I have a bunch of awesome things coming up for Halloween. I don't know exactly when I'm posting this video, in late September or October, but I have a bunch of videos coming up pretty soon. I think it's gonna be really awesome. So yeah, so also be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Denise Draven, as always. I post a lot of sneak peeks on my Instagram stories, and I post a bunch of makeup looks that don't go up here on YouTube. Sometimes I do get requested, so eventually I will post requested makeup looks on here. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!